The 2025 to 2026 John Deere pickup truck would power tough jobs and lifestyles. Farmers, contractors, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who desires a vehicle that truly reflects "Nothing runs like a Deere" should choose it for its durability and cutting-edge automotive technology. Rugged, Deere-inspired design. The John Deere-style pickup would be modern, practical, and aggressive. Exterior. Signature colors. John Deere green with prominent yellow hues, reflecting heritage. Special edition black or white with green/yellow highlights may be offered. Industrial strength. The front would have a heavy-duty grille with the John Deere Leaping Deer logo. Standard would include tow hooks, skid plates, and weatherproofing. Full LED lighting, including powerful bed rail work lights and roof-mounted light bars, optional, assures visibility in all conditions. Bed design. A mobile workshop has a reinforced bed with tie-downs, 120V/240V power outlets, and an air compressor. Heavy-duty tailgates with GM's Multi-Pro or Ram's multifunction access systems are better. Smart, durable, and comfortable interior. Practical luxury would combine durability, connectivity, and ergonomics for long cabin work or travel. Common materials include rugged vinyl, heavy-duty cloth, and rubber flooring. High-end trims have weatherproof leather and farm equipment control panel inspired with /metal accents. User-friendly tech. Command center display. A 12.0 or 15.0-inch vertical touchscreen with JD Connect infotainment system and wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. This system would incorporate vehicle diagnostics, PTO control, and drone connectivity for field or job site surveys. A customized 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster incorporating car and work data. Powertrain, high performance and efficiency. The pickup would have powerful and economical powertrains for high loads and various terrain. PowerTech Diesel. A new high-torque 3.0-liter or 4.0-liter turbocharged inline-six diesel engine with class-leading towing and fuel efficiency is best. Expect 400 to 500 horsepower and 800-1000 plus lb-ft. Power Hybrid. A PHEV with a powerful V6 or V8 gasoline engine and electric motors. This technology provides fast torque, 40 to 50 miles of all-electric range for silent agricultural work, and good fuel economy. System power could reach 600 horsepower. Heavy-duty transmission. A 10-speed automatic for high torque. Advanced 4x4 system. Electronic locking differentials, robust low-range gearing, and rock, mud, sand, tow, field terrain management modes would be standard. Unexpected ability. Heavy-duty models should have best-in-class towing capacity and payloads over 3,000 pounds, 1,360 kilograms. An integrated power takeoff (PTO) system that powers implements or other equipment, unlike consumer pickups, could be a selling factor. Work smarter, drive safer. The pickup would include sophisticated on-road and off-road safety features for difficult jobs. JD Safety Suite. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated emergency braking, pedestrian/cyclist/livestock recognition, 360-degree camera with trailer vision and trailer length adjusted blind spot monitoring. Easy trailer maneuvering with Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Night vision. A night vision system may aid low-light driving or work. Price and market position hypothesis. The 2025 to 2026 John Deere pickup truck would be a luxurious, capable, and niche vehicle for devoted customers. Entry-level gasoline/diesel models cost $75,000 to $85,000. Premium, heavy-duty hybrid and electric vehicles cost $100,000 to $120,000 plus. This 2025 to 2026 John Deere pickup truck would be a statement piece for off-roaders, built with the same quality and capability that made John Deere a heavy machinery legend.